Agoy. Mas stuck na sad na siya sa fish. And he will not. He will just stay here.
Sani sa first na gitukod sa una. Hiligid siya og flowers. Every time mo ari siya diri is more on flowers gid siya ari siya magstay. Si Mrs. Moria or si Mr.
Grabe, no? Yan yung collections.
Yes. Oo, in Luilio ilahan na sir. Ang Cebuana is ayan ang igsoon.
Orchid collection.
Kanang violet or white na sa as mo na yung mga favorite flowers.
Oh.
Ngayon ni diri nga spot lang for family picture. Nice ni diri.
Ba't ito dagang kayong orchids that way?
Sa morning mo makita to ninyo. Magian turo nato pero di sa makar.
Go look at the fish na together with Axel para sa inyo. Go look at the fish. Axel, look at that.
Look at the fish.
Very expensive lang.
Bago man yun.
Oh, kaning concert ay. I think it's creepy.
Wala all the way down.
Creepy kuno di. It's not.
Wala ni sa una min, no?
Wala.
Beside is cactus, and the most poisonous plant, this is the agave plant.
It's a poisonous plant, Gavin.
Yan ang tilapan.
So, yes ma'am, nice garden. Para kapuinog lang ako sa garden kay makapit sa spa. Yes. I see you.
The blue strawberry, the Papa Ghost gave the red strawberry ghost ice cream.
Oh, there's an owl.
What is this?
It's an owl. Oh, you mean that one? Cinderella's pumpkin?
I'm going to the.
Where do you want to go?
Watch your steps,
I'm
Uy.
going
There's
to
an owl.
the.
It's an owl.
Do you want to go to the bridge? The moon's gone. Yes, ma'am.
Dili kayo hayag imong video.
Yeah, kaya ang imuha lagi kay hayag. No more.
If you want the bridge, I will go to the bridge and then I'll run away and leave you at the bridge.
Rabbit. 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 Oh.
Nindot sa day diri ah. Lagi. Igoray naman kaon. Ah. Yes.
Just get one, that's enough. You still hungry? Okay, this is cooked. This is yours. Put it there in your plate. Okay, cook. Just put that in your plate. You're gonna do this one. Like this, so you got your pork. You like that. Also in your plate. Good. I'll cook this one. You eat that one. Cheers.
Do you like it, Axwell? Which ones?
Cheers.
Did you eat the s'mores? Ma'am, free pa ba may mo suroy?
Yes po, ma'am.
Ah, still.
Good days ang tasking part.
Oh. Thank you.
Balik Lions.
Yeah.
Then after Lions, katong mga buhaya.
Wow.
Gabi.
Asa Gavin?
Is that video?
No, it's a
We're in Fountainland. That is Fountainland.
Finland.
Ayo.
Gamitin niya yung iPad ha. How many are you in the
9.
Can we wait for another turn lang po?
Sure.
Kasabay lang.
Here or there?
Want to borrow your cell phone?
No, you wait.
Kamusta na na? We're inside the cave.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to sit beside the Axel.
Cute! Pag-isang takot!
Yeah, the Duran.
We're inside the cage.
Okay.
Is that a cage truck? Is that a cage truck? But we're breaking the rice and like the dogs. They're all males, siblings, and 10 years old. Their names are Max, Jack, and Bobo.
Oh, they're sleeping!
Yes, because they're nocturnal animals. They're active at night and day. There's only 4 lions in Cebu Safari.
Sana all.
There's the 4th lion! If you're wondering, how many lions? White
Three.
lion when they're not entirely white. That's because they're not albino. Lion, let's roar! Lion. They
No,
have
they're
partial
sleeping.
loss of pigmentation resulting in a pale or nearly white color. And they are carnivores. We provide them breast chicken or beef. Just like dinosaurs! 8 kilograms per lion per day.
Per day.
Alam ko dito. Only the keeper. Only the keeper dapat.
So, kisay pangalan ni?
Yes, Jack ang sibugo.
Si Ma o si Bugoy.
Ay, nili. Ang isa na si Lisa Pedira.
And they can run up to 81 km per hour in a short distance.
Lions.
What's your stomach?
Thank you.
Mauna ako. Lila. Lila. Over. You want to feed the birds?
No, no, no. We don't have money for the bird.
They don't have bird food also.
Hello, what's baby? Ano talk?
So cute! Oh my God!
Ngiti. Ah, nangiti na.
Birds! How many birds?
Wow!
Kuya.
3 birds!
Hi, kuya.
More food, kuno. More food. More food. Dahil balik natin.
Ano, wow!
That's a lot!
That's five.
5 and all.
Oh, yummy dogs.
Two hands. Up. 2 hands.